Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Amazfit Cheetah Pro versus Amazfit Balance. If you're ready to buy, check out the links in the description. Let's kick things off with the displays. Both watches come with a stunning AMOLED display, giving you vibrant colors and deep blacks. The Cheetah Pro sports a 1.45-inch screen, while the Balance has a slightly larger 1.5-inch display. When it comes to brightness, though, the Balance shines a bit brighter, reaching 1,500 nits compared to the Cheetah Pro's 1,000 nits, making the Balance a better option for outdoor visibility in direct sunlight. That said, the Cheetah Pro has a slightly sharper PPI density at 331, compared to the Balance's 323 PPI, which means text and images might look just a little crisper on the Cheetah Pro. Both watches are well protected, but they have different types of glass. The Cheetah Pro comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, a well-known tough glass, while the Balance has tempered glass with anti-glare protection, giving it an edge when it comes to reducing reflections in bright light. Now let's talk about the body. The Cheetah Pro features a titanium alloy bezel, which gives it a premium and durable feel, while the Balance goes for a slightly lighter and more flexible aluminum alloy middle frame. As for weight, the Cheetah Pro is just a bit lighter, weighing in at 34 grams compared to the Balance at 35 grams. When it comes to the straps, the Cheetah Pro uses liquid silicone, which is smooth and comfortable, while the Balance opts for a nylon strap, offering a different, more breathable feel. Both straps are 22 millimeters wide, and they both come with classic pin buckles, making them easy to adjust. In terms of battery life, both watches are quite similar, offering 14 days of use on a single charge. Both have a 2-hour charging duration. However, the Balance has a slightly larger battery at 475 mAh compared to the Cheetah Pro's 440 mAh, so you might get a little more out of the Balance in the long run. Both watches support the same set of sensors, including blood oxygenation, acceleration, gyroscope, geomagnetic, air pressure, ambient light, and temperature sensors. They also have music storage, with the Cheetah Pro offering 2.3 gigabytes and the Balance offering 2.2 gigabytes. Pretty similar, so no major difference there. And, of course, both watches come with the Zepp app for all your syncing and data tracking needs, and they also both support Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. When it comes to voice assistants, you'll be happy to know that both the Cheetah Pro and Balance come equipped with Amazon Alexa. So when it comes to pricing, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro is priced at $230, while the Amazfit Balance is a bit more affordable at $200. If you're looking to save a little, the Balance is the more budget-friendly option. Amazfit Cheetah Pro Pros, slightly sharper display, 331 PPI for better clarity. Lighter design, 34 grams, making it more comfortable for extended wear. Cons: lower brightness, 1,000 nits, which may be less ideal in bright outdoor conditions. Smaller battery, 440 milliamp hours, meaning slightly less longevity compared to the Balance. Amazfit Balance Pros: brighter display, 1,500 nits, making it better for visibility and sunlight. Larger battery, 475 milliamp hours, for potentially longer battery life. Cons: slightly heavier, 35 grams, which could be less comfortable for some users. Tempered glass protection, while tough, doesn't offer the same reputation as Gorilla Glass for durability. After considering all the key features, the Amazfit Balance takes the crown due to its larger screen size, brighter display, and larger battery capacity, all while being priced competitively. It's a solid choice if you're looking for a more vibrant and long-lasting smartwatch. However, if you're someone who values a premium build, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro is the better option with its titanium alloy, bezel, and slightly lighter design, offering a sleek, high-quality feel. If you're ready to buy, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which band would you choose?